A moment is where you just allow things to you just sort of disintegrate. You just get up one morning and you just smoke, you just drink, you just do all the you just I don't know, man. A moment is where you just let go.
But you can't say for sure what a moment is, right? I mean, you can only quantify the idea, the theory, but you really can't say for sure we're having. I mean, even this right here
Is a moment.
is a moment, but maybe it isn't, you know, because you're taping it on your phone, so maybe it's not even gonna come out.
You got me way too philosophical for me. Yo, I'm happy to be on your freaking show, man. I'm on your show. I'm on your freaking show.
How long do we talk about this? How long have we talked about this?
I'm gonna talk about it until you get annoyed.
No. How long have we talked about you coming on the show? I mean, this is probably about it's like 8 years ago, right?
Yeah, and so at one point I said, well, this guy's not going to invite me on the show, but then I see you have all these celebrities, so I say, okay, well, I'm not a big Hollywood star, so the chances of me becoming a guest is just slim to none, so I don't know. But a lot of times they're booked because of Joe Rogan. I was getting on the Joe Rogan show, and sometimes they're booked up a year in advance, so sometimes they have to book you ahead of time. So,
right.
You know.
But this is, I know Jeff he's trying to get a bunch of shows in the can for this month.